Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a red chicken enchiladas recipe. So first you're going to start out with a Roma tomato, fourth of an onion, 2 garlic cloves, 4 chile de arbol, 2 chili ancho, and 7 California chilies. And you want to throw everything in boiling water for 10 minutes. And while you let that boil for 10 minutes, you're going to go ahead and start on your chicken. Put whatever seasonings you like. I'm just using salt and pepper for mine. And I like to grill my chicken first before I go ahead and cut it up because I feel like it's easier that way. And once 10 minutes has passed, you're going to go ahead and check on all your items that are boiling. I didn't have a pasta spoon, so I'm just using a regular spoon. But you're going to take everything out and put it into a blender. And you're going to add a fourth of oregano, some pepper, and a fourth teaspoon of cumin. And you want to use 2 cups of the water that you boiled everything in, just so it can help liquefy the sauce. And go ahead and blend everything up. I twitched because some of it got on me and it was really hot. And then check on your chicken while you're at it. And then go ahead and see if it's to your liking and slice it up how you like. And then you're going to go ahead and strain your sauce with a strainer. And next you want to fry your tortillas, not too hard. And then you want to take your tortillas and then dip them in the enchilada sauce. And then once you do that, you can go ahead and start rolling. The stuffings you can use are cheese, chicken, or any other kind of filling you want. We're just going to do a mixture of both today. For the cheese on the inside, I'm using Queso con fresca. and the grilled chicken that we prepared. I'm gonna go ahead and roll. And then I like to top it off with some cheddar cheese. And you're gonna wanna put it in the oven at 375 for about 10 to 15 minutes, depending how cheesy you like it. Top it off with whatever you like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time.